I was gonna wear these glasses, but I don't think this is gonna work. Today I'm sharing with you my KL nail polish collection. I really wasn't into nail polish until I started following Kathleen Lights. I've been watching Kathleen Lights for several years now. She is so kind and interactive with her YouTube audience. I love her channel. I literally watch anything she uploads. She is so energetic and kind, and she just has the sweetest personality. And she is the one that got me started on the KL nail polish spending spree. She recently announced that KL polish will be ending soon. I don't know exactly when. Now is the time to get your nail polish because there are so many sales going on right now. I am so sad to see them go, but I wanted to make this video for you guys in case you wanted to jump into these sales. There are so many awesome sales going on with KL polish right now, and you could save so much money. So I highly recommend going and checking her website out. I'll leave the link down below. For a single color, the price is $9.50. For a lot of them, they are now reduced to $8.50. A bundle of 6 is usually like $49.95. Now it's around $40. KL polish is 12 free, which means that there aren't a lot of toxic chemicals that you would find in other nail polish brands. Their website specifically mentions parabens and formaldehyde as a few harsh ingredients that are not included in the formula. You will have all the information down below on the colors that I have, and I'm gonna run through each color with you. This video is for supporters of Kathleen, but it's also for you who have not heard of this brand before. You need to check it out. It is amazing, it is beautiful, and I do not get paid to say these words. This is coming from someone who has purchased a lot of her nail polish. And I love it. Like, I own no other nail polish except for this brand. By the way, I was gonna wear these glasses today, but look, I am going to start now that I've been talking. Okay, so here's my collection right here. This glass container I got from Kohl's is from the Lauren Conrad brand. This is kind of heavy, so it's kind of hard to video this. I'm gonna start with my favorites. This is Jane. I love copper. I'm obsessed with copper. I'm sure all my friends and family know that. This is Princess Penny. She has such creative names. I love these names. Then actually, this is another favorite. This has like copper speckles through it. It's black with so many different sparkles. It's got like teal, copper, purple. Like there's so many different colors in this. It's so pretty. So those are my top 3. This color was always out of stock. I could never get my hands on it, and I finally was able to get it a couple months ago. But this one was always sold out. Everybody was obsessed with this color. This color is so unique. This is Medusa. Doesn't that look like a Medusa? Oh, have any of you seen... This is embarrassing. And have you ever seen Rescuers? The little mice? Doesn't this remind you of Madame Medusa? Wow, I just totally had a light bulb moment there. This is the most beautiful red I have ever worn. This green and this red were my go-to colors for the Christmas season. This is in Central Park. I was so happy when she made a nail polish called Central Park. This has to be a reference to Friends, right? Does anybody else love that TV show? Okay, I don't think I've actually worn this color yet. This is in the color Wishbone. This is kind of like an off-white, white tannish color. It's really pretty. I think I'll wear it more in the springtime, but I don't think I've actually tried this color yet. This is a beautiful orangish red. I wore this a lot in the fall. These are so much fun to correlate with your outfits. I have this color on today. This is in Taurus. And I've already told you about these two. This is Carmelo and Cubana. And here we have a yellow. Very pretty. And here we have more of like a spring pastel yellow. This is in Celine. And this is in Tropicana. Okay, so this color reminds me a little bit of Wishbone, but this is more of like a gray, darker gray toned color, but this is Graham. This color is in Peanut Butter, which, yeah, it does look like peanut butter. Good job naming that color, Kathleen. This is in Cafe Disco. I like how this color has like little shimmer, white shimmers throughout it. This is Paper Snow. And for some reason, this name reminds me of the Hunger Games. I don't know why. Why does it remember? Is it because he gives Katniss that white flower? I don't know. But for some reason, this name reminds me of the Hunger Games. Is it Captain Snow? This is like a gray blue. It's in the color 1435. This is in the color Montanzas. I hope I said that right. This is like another green. This isn't as dark green as Central Park. See, there's a little bit of it's a lot lighter than Central Park. This is in Mojito. This is a good name for this one. This is in the color Casino Night. It's basically just a bunch of shimmer. Bunch of gold shimmer with like a lot of reflective blue. I haven't worn this color yet. This would actually be a good color to wear on top of that black shade. Even though this black shade already has a bunch of glitter in it, that would be fun to pair up these two. I should do a black halo eye with like gold in the center and then wear this nail polish. I've worn this color before. This is like a dark purple. It's more of like a metallic shade. It's got a little bit of shimmer in there. This is in the color YZMA. Some of these names I don't know what they mean, so I'm just giving you the name of the nail polish. I think this is so cute how she came up with this name. I believe she asked her husband what this color reminded him of, and he said pinky. I thought it was so cute. And then next we have Cha Cha Cha. I've worn this in one of my videos as well. You guys have seen me wear this color before. It reminds me a little bit of this color right here. This color is a little bit darker, but it definitely has that orange undertone. We have 4 left. Then I have this purple color. It's really, really pretty. I have a purple dress that goes perfectly with this color. What I need to do is find like a dark purple lip color that would go with this, and that would be the most beautiful look ever. I believe that she named this color after her dog, which is really cute. This is Prince Cornelius. Her dog is named Cornelius, and he is the cutest dog ever. But this has like yellow and copper shimmery shades. Let me pull this out. I haven't worn this color yet. Yeah, that is so pretty. It almost looks like it has like a red undertone. It has like a burgundy color mixed in there. I cannot wait to wear this color. This color is Miss Kensington. I really love this pastel color range. These are definitely some spring colors, you know, the whites, and then you've got, I think these all came in a collection. I'm pretty sure there's like a, so pretty. I can't wait to wear these in like the springtime, and spring is coming. It is coming. Last color, this is in Celia. That is like pink. You know, I should do a pink eyeshadow look, an all pink look, because I've been doing a lot of pink eyeshadow looks, like burgundy pink, and I need to wear this color with that look. Now, those of you who follow Kathleen, does she have a clear nail polish? I don't think she does. This is the only other nail polish I own that is not KL polish. This is from LA Colors. It's just like a base coat, top coat. But why did Kathleen not come out with a clear nail polish? Yeah, so that is my entire collection, you guys. I know this was kind of a long video and kind of talking you through everything, but definitely support Kathleen if you can. She's such a sweet lady, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I was wanting to put this video up ever since Kathleen announced that KL polish is going away. I was so sad to hear that because I love her nail polish, and I have been stocking up, been saving so much money with these sales going on right now. Honestly, I wear this nail polish all the time. Look. All my nail polish. And it is all from KL Polish. polish. Definitely love this collection, and I am going to be making sure that I am one of the people that is buying more of her nail polish before it goes away. I'm really sad that it's going away, but it is what it is, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.